Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to create 3D models for exercise number 9 with Inventor software. Okay, you can click new and I will choose a standard in millimeter. You can click create. The next you can click start to diskette. Choose this plane, XC plane, and I will create circle. Start from this point. You can set diameter into 56. You can use scroll mouse to zoom in and zoom out. We can create circle again from the center point and we can set for diameter into 32. The next I will create line. Okay, start from this point, move to the top. Create again line from this point to the top. The next line from this point into here, and then from this point into this point. Okay, now we can set a dimension of distance from this two line objects. I will set into 40 and distance from this point into center points. In here we can set into 20. The next between these two line object we can set into 14, and from this line object into center point we can set into 45 point. We can press enter. Now you can use a trim command to delete this line object, and you can click finish cut. To convert this object into 3D models, we can use extrude tools. You can click here extrude, and I will select this all face in here. Okay. The next we can set extrusion into 14. You can click OK. I will unhide. For sketch 1 you can check visibility. In here I will use extrusion again. You can click here to extrude, and I will use join option. We can set for distance in here into 4. You can click OK, so it will be joined. We can create again 3D object from this face. Okay, you can set into new solid. We can move into this direction. I will set into 60. Now you can click OK. We can use this new solid. Click OK. The next I will use this option, offset from plane. You can select at this face. We can offset into -30, so it will be placed in the center point of this object, box object. You can click OK. The next we can use a mirror command to mirror this object. Okay, you can also click in here, mirror, and for mirror plane we can select at this plane. The next you can click OK, so it will be automatically mirror. Now in here we can create a start to diskette. You can choose this plane, and in here I will create line. Start from this point, move into here, and move to the top. You can press escape button to close. You can set for distance. You can press shift hold, click at this line, and we can create distance 50. You also can set in here into 50. Okay, now we can set for angle 135 degree. You can click finish sketch. Okay, we create this sketch, and you can right click sketch 2 and click edit sketch. You can select at this line. You can also select in here, press delete button. Okay, the next you can click finish sketch. Now we can create new rectangle. You can select at this face, click start to diskette. We can create rectangle. Okay, I will create rectangle in here. Now we can set for dimension. I will set length into 14, and for width we can set into 40. We can set distance, okay, this point into here, and I will set into 0. The next from this point, from this point into here. In here we can set into 23, and you can press enter. So we can set into in here we can change. Okay, we can close. I will close and select this object, press delete button. We can set from the center point into here, and we can set into 30, so it will be placed in the center point. You can see. And next we can click finish CAD, and in here we can use sweep command to convert this rectangle into 3D model with this path. You can click here sweep, select this face. Okay, for path you can select this line object, and you can click OK to apply. The next we can use a fillet command. You can click here fillet. Okay, I will fillet with radius 20. For selected, you can select this edge, also at this point. Click apply and cancel. We can create circle in this face. Okay, you can create circle from the center point 1 and create again circle with diameter 24. You can press enter. Now you can click finish, and we can use extrude tools to extrude at this face. I will set into 3 for extrusion, and we can use new solid. Okay, now you can move this object. Click modify, click move body, select this object. We can move in y direction. For x we can set into 0. Okay, sorry, for z we can set into minus 70. This minus 70 or about 70. So this is for 70. You can click apply and done. We can active for scaffold. Click visibility and use extrude again. Extrude at this face. Okay. The last we can extrude in the center here, and I will use cut option. Move into this direction, and you can click OK. So it will be cut hole. Finally, we can use combine tools to combine this all object. Okay, it will be combined, and with the button here. Now you can click OK to apply. You also can hide for this CAD. Okay, you can right click and uncheck for visibility. Also for CAD 1 visibility, and for work plane in here you can uncheck visibility. And we already create these simple 3D models for exercise number 9 with Inventor software. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.